Ntashokereria mwiroreri ngatho cia mwanya ni undu wa guthii na mbere kunyitanira hamwe na ithuĩ tuthii na mbere na gikujo gitu kia mohoro ikereka ria keri.
Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya shukari ya Nzoia Michael Kalundu ni akomete thibitari wa Bungoma thutha wa kuria kurerekana ati ni arakorirwo akinyitwo migwate Hwa-Ini.
Kuringana na andu a nyumba yake ni ati arakorirwo akinyitwo migwate ari mukawa-ini wa Salmon uria uri tauni-ini ya Bungoma ni andu matoikaine kuria acokire kurogotwo mita 100 kuma mukawa-ini ucio ari mutaro-ini.
The narrative that came up, he was hijacked, he was tortured, and he was left for dead.
Yote ambaye alihusika, whether ni katika hali gani, tutashughulika na yeye na tunaomba serikali tushikane mkono mpaka tuhakikishe ya kwamba huyo mtu na hiyo watu wapatikane.
Na tugithio horo-ini ungeni ati magavana a county iria ikoragwo igitabania urithia wa mahiu ni maugite ati thirikari ni ikoretwo ikimathutũkania gwa kinya ni ugai wa kigina gia county.
Oho magavana ya ni magitongorio ni gavana Ali Roba ni maugite ati utari wa andu county nici ndukoragwo ugitabanio na njira igwete undu uria ucungagiriria thirikari kugaira county ici kigina kinini ikiringithanio na county iria ingi bururi-ini.
We support 100% of use of the best technology there is out there in the world as leadership of Northern Kenya. But we want the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics to tell Kenyans what plans, what strategies they have put in place to deal with the pastoral way of life of ourselves in order to make sure that census take place, and that is not sample, meaning 100% of the population of this country are going to be counted.
Today, I have a message for them that Kenya has moved on from 1963 to 2019, that other communities have gone to school, other communities have had their strategies, and therefore the notion that this country, the power, the economy, everything belongs to them is nothing but a myth, and that they are in a big slumberland and it is the high time they wake up.
I think the new formula is very subjective and discriminatory to certain parts of this country, and more so to the pastoralist communities and the ASAL counties.
The policy position is actually a ministerial function, and TSC is only mandated to recruit and deploy teachers. It is not their mandate on training, curriculum development, teachers training colleges, the National Examination Council are all under the Ministry of Education. So we are saying this matter will not go down with us. We are going to the courts. We are also going to Parliament to actually address this issue, because it is not only the counties of Garissa, Wajir, Mandera, but there are 17 counties which are affected and which this policy would have helped.
Na tugithi na mbere ni ati njatũkano ĩgiĩ atongoria kunyita mbaru munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto hĩndĩ ya kĩhĩtahĩtano kĩa mwaka wa 2022 nĩ ĩgĩte gatagatĩ ka atongoria a gĩcigo gĩa Hwa-Ini matongoretio nĩ mũmbunge wa Malindi niwe Aisha Jumwa. Atongoria aya nĩ maugĩte atĩ matigũkorwo makĩrwo nĩ kĩama kĩa ODM ũrĩa megũkorwo makĩnyita mbaru, kũrĩa ningĩ mamenereirie gavana wa kaunti ya Mombasa niwe Ali Hassan Joho kurumirira kiria marauga ni gukorwo akiguoyohia Aisha Jumwa ni undu wa kunyita mbaru William Ruto.
Siasa zetu tutazifanya wapi? Hapa Malindi na Kilifi County, kwa sababu yeye amezoea kuingia kila mahali. Alikwenda pale wakashindwa, wakaenda Lungalunga wakashindwa, akaja hapo kwake Nyali wakashindwa, akaenda hapo Kisauni wakashindwa. Sasa yuangalia mimi, yeye ndo anayeharibu ODM ama ni mimi Aisha Jumwa? Niko na contract na chama cha ODM. Baada ya miaka 5 mahali nitaelekea ODM wasiniulize, kwa sababu nitakuwa nimemaliza contract yangu na wao. Kwa hivyo hii habari ya kusimama na kunitishatisha Aisha Jumwa hivi, Aisha Jumwa aliimba salama salama. Niliimba salama salama. Wakati mimi nikiimba salama salama Jubilee, Raila Odinga alikuwa anatuambia mdereva ni mwizi, ni mlevi, na kondakta ni mwizi.
Hari arutwo magana matatu ma 15 aria marakorirwo magika wega na kwigwatira grade ya A thiini wa kigeranio gya KCSE kia mwaka muhituku 13 gatagati kao ni aria marathomithagio ni bengi ya Equity Bank rungu rwa mutaratara wa Wings to Fly. Arutwo aya riu ni mahetwo mwihoko wa guthi na mbere na mathomo mao oro rungu rwa mutaratara uyu ni murugamiriri munene wa bengi no niwe James Mwangi.
John Momwirure no horo yumakiria
kuhitukira mutaratara wa Wings to Fly uria ukoretwo gitwarithio na mbere bengi ya Equity o mwaka uteithiriria ciana iria ciekete wega igeranio-ini. Ni mubango ukoretwo uri na kiguni kuri ciana ici. Thiini wa kigeranio kia KCSE kia mwaka muhituku hari arutwo magana matatu ma 15 aria megwatire grade ya A. 13 ni aria marakoretwo magithomithio ni bengi ya Equity kuhitukira mubango uyu. 13 aya rucini rwa muthi ni magire na kanya hamwe na kunywanira cai wa rucini na atongoria a bengi ino matongoretio ni murugamiri munene wa bengi ino niwe Ndagitari James Mwangi.
Hari ciana 2,000 iria twa presentete, ciana gicunje kia 75 kana 3/4 ya ciana icio irahote kwinyitira kamweke ka kuingira university. No kiroko kya muthe tuma na ciana 13 iria iranyitite A, iria irari na A minus irari ciana 150, na koguo ciana iria turari na cio cirari na A na A minus ni ciana 160. Ciana icio ni ciambiriria mweke wa kuingira Equity, kugea na scholarship ire ya university. Ciana icio nicio tugukorwo tugitangira muno turore kana ciatukanio na ciana iria 300 irari na A bururi wothe, ni tukuhota kugea na ciana ta 100 tungiona scholarship cia ma university cia nja na wacio angi makithie university citu.
Mwangi augite ni gikeno kuona ciana ici iria iregwatire grade ino ya A ciraumite mena itiganite guku bururi-ini, kuona bengi ino yaheanire kamweke mateguthutukania o kana o.
Kindu kiria tukenete muno ni kuona ciana ici ta iria irari na A, he mwana wa Siaya, he mwana wa Migori, he mwana wa Changamwe, he mwana wa Mutomo, he mwana wa Rudua, he mwana wa Kawangware, he mwana wa Naikuru, he mwana wa Karatina. Ciothe iraoneka ni ciana no kamweke, ti mwana kuria umite, ti family. Ni twarora uria ciana icio ihotete wathikiriria ng'ano ciao, maundu maria cikoretwo igithie through, aingi mareretwo na thina muingi muno, no wahe kamweke thina ucio kariganira na magatuika agutwika kioneki ke bururi na kirathimo kinene muno thiini wa bururi.
I don't think if that Congress will not have been there, I don't think if I'll be standing here today, because it's like I had lost hope.
Aruto aya magitariria ni meretheire maria makoretwo makigerera ginagia kwigwatira kamweke ka kuingira mutaratara-ini uyu wa Wings to Fly.
When I scored the 420 marks, I didn't know of Wings to Fly, but there was a boy who was once sponsored. Then I didn't know where the branch was. I didn't even know the contacts, but a well-wisher brought the form home. I was just seated there, and then somebody just came and said that I heard that you scored 420 marks. You can have this form. Equity sponsors students who are from poor backgrounds, and I filled the form, and then I waited, and they called me for the interview.
Samuel Disho kuma mwena wa Githunguri thiini wa kaunti ya Kiambu ni umwe wa aria marekite wega thiini wa kigeranio giki gia KCSE agiteithiririo ni bengi ino ya Equity na Wings to Fly. Guku ari na motaro kuri arutwo gutigira ati onao ni meka wega thiini wa igeranio ciao.
Ndirathomagira NJIRA, ndiranyitire ya 81 points na muno uri ngitariria andu aria magirwo gwika muno arutwo aria marakingira form 4 muno ni mundu kwirutaniria muno guthoma muno gutagutiganithiria gathi kwiyarimu polisi uria na muno ni kuri kwiyuma maundu mamwe aya andu maringiria tha ici ni mwagirwo kwiyuma muno ugagithomaga muno na ukaiga Ngai mbere muno.
Gukiri uguo Mwangi augite mutaratara uyu uria ukoretwo kuo gwa kahinda ka miaka 10 riu no uguthie na mbere gutigira ciana iria ireka wega mathomo no irathie na mbere na guteithika.
Scholarship ya Wings to Fly no iguthie na mbere na koguo na mwaka ucio ungi no tugakorwo gikundi giki nikio gia gatandatu gwika secondary certificate na gikundi gia keri nikirikitie kurikia university mwaka uyu tugukona gikundi gia gatatu gikirikia university koguo yambagiriria secondary igathie wira ikauma wira igathie university thutha wa university tugacoka wira na koguo no nyende ciana ciothe ituike cia kwiririria mweke uyu mundu ndakanaugage aregire guthoma ni kwaga bithi.
Amwe a arutwo 13 aria marekite wega thiini wa kiganio gia KCSE kia mwaka muhituku kuria marahotithitio ni mutaratara wa Wings to Fly wa bengi ya Equity. Kuringana nao maugite no meguthie na mbere na gwika wega thiini wa mathomo mao. Ngiribotera Gikuyu TV, ritwa riakwa ni Muiruri John Mo.
Na ripoti hiyo igie Wings to Fly ni ripoti njega tukehoka ati ciana icio no iguthii na mbere na gwika wega mathomo-ini maingira thiini wa university na aria angi magitigitwo thutha ni megugikorwo magika wega marumirire makinya ma acio mekite wega rita riri na kwa ihinda riri tukwamba guthii imwe kwa imwe nginyagia thoko-ini citu turore uria ciringi yatinda igicenjanio na mbeca cia mabũrũri maria mangi.